Hello all, in this video I will demonstrate project 2, that is commerce. So I have already started the server. Now going to the specification 1, that is our application should have at least 3 models. So as you can see in this admin site I have total of 6 models. Now the specification 2, create listing. As I am signed in as Atharva, I can create a listing. So if I go to this link, then I can create a listing and specify the title, description, the starting bid, category, then either upload image locally or upload image URL. So I will just create a listing here, named notebook, say. Good. Okay. $5. Okay. Education. And I will upload a image URL. Okay. Copy. And if I submit that, it will redirect me to that listings page. And now going to the specification 3, that is active listings page. So this is default view of my application and you can see all the active listings here. And if I click on the details, then it will show me all the details of that listing. That is, I can add it to the watch list and you can see the number changing here. Remove it from the watch list, add it again. Okay, so then as I am signed in, I can place a bid. So total of 0 bids have been placed so far. So I will enter a bid. So it must be greater than 20. So I will enter a bid of 21 and submit. Now I will see the message that bid placed successfully. Then if I again place the bid of 21, it will show me the error because the bid must be greater than 21. Okay, so then I can also add a comment. Let's say comment, and it will show up here. Okay, so anything remaining? Oh, okay. So if I was the user, I was the creator of this listing, I could close this listing. So user creator of this listing is user one. Now let me go there and close this listing. I will close this listing. Then no one will be able to place a bid or add a comment, uh, and it won't show up in active listings anymore. Okay, so if I go and again log in as Atharva, because I was the last one to bid, I should be I should be the winner of that listing. So it should show me so. Okay, so it shows me that I have won the bid. Okay, so this was about the specification 3. Now specification 4, that is watch list. As you can see, I had added this listing to watch list and I can see it here, and then I can also remove it from the watch list and see the details. Because it is no more an active listing, I could permanently remove it from my watch list. Okay, then going to the specification 6, that is categories. If I visit this categories, it will show me all the listed categories. If some user didn't mention category while creating listing, then it will show up here. I have two entries from the electronics category, and same for the other. Now the last specification, that is Django admin interface. As you can see here, I can add, edit and delete anything from here. So I will just delete a listing, that is this listing object. Okay, for the demo purpose, I will just delete this. So this was about the project. Thank you.